Hi, in front of me is TECLAST P20HD, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Apps and Notifications over here, scroll down, click on Advanced, scroll down again and tap on Permission Manager. Over here, pick one of the options by clicking on the chosen one, like Location. Then select an app. I will go with Calendar, so I have to click on it and pick one of the options. Allow only while using the app or deny. I will go with allow only while using the app, so when I go back I can start calendar, gain access to my device location if I'm using it. You can also tap on one of your apps, choose see all calendar permissions over here and manage them like that. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!